In a dramatic development during the fifth week of Sean Diddy Combs' high-profile federal trial for sex trafficking and racketeering conspiracy, tensions flared in court on Wednesday, June 11th, as prosecutors moved to have a juror dismissed. Assistant Special U.S. Attorney Maurene Comey, the lead prosecutor in the case, addressed U.S. District Judge Arun Subramanian outside the presence of the jury and expressed serious concerns about one juror's conduct. According to Comey, the prosecution believes the juror in question exhibited a lack of candor with the court, a phrase often used to imply dishonesty or withholding of important information. "We did not want to do this," Comey told the judge. "We were compelled to do that." While the exact nature of the alleged lack of candor was not disclosed during the open court session, the prosecution's concern was clearly significant enough to request immediate judicial intervention. The move sparked a strong response from Combs' legal team. Defense attorney Alexandra Shapiro pushed back against the government's motion, calling it a thinly veiled effort to dismiss a black juror. Shapiro's accusation raises the specter of racial bias in the jury selection process, an issue that has long haunted the American legal system and could become a major point of contention in the trial moving forward. She argued that there was no just cause for removing the juror, and that the prosecution's action could be interpreted as an attempt to influence the racial composition of the jury, which would raise serious constitutional concerns. Judge Subramanian, who is overseeing the trial in U.S. District Court in Manhattan, did not immediately rule on the motion. Instead, he asked both sides to file written submissions and said he would make a decision by the end of the week. The deliberative approach reflects the sensitivity and high stakes involved not only for Combs, who faces potentially decades in prison if convicted, but also for the broader integrity of the judicial process. The identities of the 12-seated jurors, 8 men and 4 women, as well as the 6 alternates, have been kept confidential, known only to the judge and legal teams. The jurors range in age from 30 to 74, with the alternates including 4 men and 2 women. Combs, 55, has pleaded not guilty to all charges, including accusations of orchestrating a criminal enterprise involved in sex trafficking and racketeering. The trial, already filled with explosive testimony and intense media scrutiny, continues to draw nationwide attention, not just for the celebrity of the defendant, but also for what it may reveal about the darker sides of fame and power in the music industry. As the trial progresses, the prosecution and defense continue to spar not only over evidence and witness credibility, but now also over the fairness of the jury itself, a fundamental pillar of any criminal proceeding. The outcome of this juror dispute could have major implications for the rest of the trial. Meanwhile, for those following every twist and turn, outlets like People encourage readers to sign up for their true crime newsletter for ongoing updates, exclusive trial coverage, and in-depth features on unsolved and breaking criminal cases.